Any thoughts po? Torn between Wigo and this Hyundai Venue for family car sana. So, shout out to Ken. Tara, sagutin natin. So, I think this one is going to be a bit easy in the sense na sinabi mo kasi dito, family car sana. So, because of that, I think that you would be really, sulit talaga pag you'll be going for Hyundai Venue. Why? Because it's a small SUV type na sasakyan compared to Wigo na hatchback. So, yun, medyo malaking difference talaga kasi technically yung ka segment sana ni Venue si Toyota Race. So, yun, sabi mo kasi gusto mo ng Wigo, pinag-iisipan mo yung Wigo, but then you're considering Venue. And with the top of the line Wigo, you're gonna be getting so much more in terms of the features, ganon. So 700,000 around that price. But kay Venue naman, for you to be able to enjoy the top, yung super okay talaga na features the Venue, you're gonna be going for almost 1 million na. So if you can stretch a little bit from the top of the line na price, kaya mong mag mid variant na Venue, then that's gonna be great for you. Or kahit dun na sa pinaka basic talaga na Venue na automatic that you can get, you'll really be happy with it because yun nga, yung build quality lang talaga and yung interior ni Venue sobrang okay compared to Wigo. Now, if you want to stick with a 700,000 budget, then I can say Toyota Wigo wouldn't be bad at all. Lalong-lalo na kung hindi mo naman gusto yung top of the line ni Venue, then Wigo top of the line is really one of the best options din sa akin as a first car. And then family car, okay na rin, pwede na rin. Yun lang, ground clearance of course. But yeah, if ano naman kayo, okay lang din naman kayo as a family. Hindi kayo masyadong malaki, I guess you'll really be fine in the long run. So if your priority is features, Wigo. But if you want long-term na stability and matibay na high ground clearance, Venue is also gonna be great. Yan, so sana nakatulong. If you're in Cebu area and you're looking for any of these cars, give me a PM on Facebook. So sana nakatulong. Follow for more.